Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. There is a tutorial for female haircuts for blacks. So as you can see, I already made my guidelines starting from number 1 guide close, lever close, to the number 2 guide halfway open. So because my second step was with a guide, 2 guide halfway open, so if I want to blend the top back to make the second step clearer, I just have to go for an open on the number 2 guide at the top, just to make sure that the second step blends with the top part of the hair. So now I'm bringing back my number 1 guide just to blend my first step together with the second step. So I'm just gonna go the number 1 guide lever fully open, just scrap all the way from the first step to the second step in between, just like that, just to get my blend. Just have to blend that first step with the second step. So that's what is going on now, as you can see. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more content. The more you share, the more you subscribe, the more I get motivated to keep on going with more tutorials for you guys. So holla up. Now I'm done with the blending from the first step to the second step using my number 1 guide fully open with lever. Now I head back to the number 2 guide fully closed, just to hit that third step clear. So as you can see, I'm going all over the third step with the number 2 guide fully closed, just to clean up the line that's created between the second step and the final third step. So as you can see, keeping on cleaning up, just to make sure that I get that fully smooth fade. Smooth fade. So as you can see, I'm still hitting up with the third and the second step with the number 2 guide fully closed. About time I moved in with my razors. So I normally like to take off with the side hairs with the razors, then moving with my curves for the ladies, moving with my curves. So just look at how I make my curves with the ladies. And if you could notice, you realize that with my fade I still have some imperfections within them. I normally like to hit the hairlines. When I'm done with the hairlines, then I'm moving back with my razor and combs just to re-blend it, make sure that it's up to perfection. So once I'm done with my shape and my hairlines, I'm moving back again, mostly with my number 1 open. Just revisit all the part that looks imperfect and make sure that I blend stands out. Okay, so now that I'm done with my blending and my hairline and all the stuff, I'm about to hit this little girl with my dye techniques. As you know, I have my own ways of applying my dye enhancements. I'm strictly off hairbrush. I don't use any airbrush. I just have my DIY ways of using my dye. So as you can see, with the help of a toothbrush, I know, so funny, toothbrush and my towels, and my brushes and my makeup brushes, I can really make that dye enhancement sparkle. So as you can see. Alright guys, so now I'm done with this little princess over here. So as you can see, clean and nice. Don't forget to comment if you see any mistakes or you want to correct me. I'm fully open up for correction, so just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe because I really need that, and share my content.